So in this example, I've created two anchors on the page called Trial and Error Test Yard. First section, second section, and I've added them to the menu, called them Section A and Section B. Now I'm on my articles page and I want to go to those anchor points on the Trial and Error Test Yard page. So I'll choose Section B and nothing happens. If I choose Section A, it's taking me there. The reason that Section A takes me to the right place and Section B doesn't is because Section B doesn't have the full URL to the page that this anchor point is actually on, and Section A does. And that is your solution.